Okay, I know I thought I was done with all my mods for the year, but I'm not. I changed the rotor. I went with the galfer wave rotors. I don't know if you can tell. Like the light's not that great right here, but I really like the look of the galfer wave rotor, especially in the front. I think that looks so badass. It just looks more badass to me versus the round Brembo rotors. That's cool. I think that's cool. I really like that. It's kind of, I don't know if the video shows it well. Yeah, so, and then the next planned mod, I am going to mod. I'm not done modding apparently. So I found that I can get matching, somebody makes a clutch lever that matches the Brembo RCS clutch levers, which was the main reason that I didn't want to switch to Brembo RCS. So I'm going to get that clutch lever, and then, or it's the whole clutch perch and lever, and I get that, and then I'll get the Brembo RCS. I don't know if I should get an RCS 17 or RCS 19. What do you all think? I tried the RCS 19 on the Super Duke, and it was too much. It was just a light switch. So I went to RCS 17, which I like a lot. So I don't know if this setup would work with the RCS 19 or RCS 17. I don't know. Anybody have any experience with the RCS on the S1000 bikes? Is that not just, I don't know, I don't know why, I just think that's so badass when with the wave rotor. I think it's just better looking. This right here, this section, the aluminum frame, I think that looks cool. Cooler, it's a cooler pattern, and of course the wave, the pattern, badass, yo. Yeah. I like it. The rear looks cool too. It's not as I don't think it's as badass. It's still badass though. But yeah, cool. Okay. I think once we do the master cylinder, or the Brembo RCS master cylinder and clutch perch, I think that might be it. But those are the only mods I got planned for the rest of the year. Only things that were itching that I felt like that I want to do. All right, over and out. She bad mother. All right, so now we're going to do the weight difference between the rotors, galfer versus the OEM ones. Now, there's one thing. So I think the galfer is going to weigh more because the galfer is a 5.5 millimeter rotor. So that's the thickness of the rotor. This is 5.5 millimeters, whereas the OEM rotor is 4.5 millimeters. So this is thinner, and that's actually, it's visibly thinner. If you can look, you can probably see that clearly. That yeah, I think you can see that, right? That the wave rotor is thicker than that one. So I expect the wave rotor to weigh more. So there we are at -1. Let's hit the 0. Let's reset that to 0. 0. Zero that out. And there's the galfer. Galfer is 3 pounds 5 ounces. 3 pounds 5 ounces. Okay, 3 pounds 5 ounces, 5.5 ounces. 3 pounds 5.5, 5.4 ounces. This is 3 pounds 5. Oh, it's the same. That's surprising. Wait a second. 3 pounds 5.4 ounces. Gotta do that again. And wow, there's no weight difference. That surprises me. I thought the thicker rotor. Wow, well, that tells you a lot about what this wave rotor, with the waves, really does save weight in the structure. So they weigh the same. That's great, because I was worried. I thought for sure I was going to gain weight, but I'm actually not going to gain weight. Yippee, yippee! I'm going to get cooler looking rotors that are millimeter thicker. I think that should help with heat dissipation and braking performance. and they look cooler. Which one do you think looks cooler? I mean, come on, right? Wave rotor. That looks cooler, right? Even this structure right there in the middle, doesn't that look cooler? I mean, this is strictly about aesthetics. I wasn't doing this because I thought I'm going to get much better braking performance. I actually think I am though, but I'm mostly doing this because I just like the look of the wave rotors, don't you? All right, yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we're going to weigh the rear brake rotor. Now we're 0 there. First we go with the galfer. I think it's going to be lighter. 1 pound, 14.5 ounces. That's the galfer. And then for the OEM rotor, which is probably a Brembo, right? 2 pounds, 3 ounces. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. And the difference is that's a 4.5 millimeter. See that there? And this is also a 4.5 millimeter rotor. So they're the same size rotor. So that shows you the wave rotor is lighter. So there you go. So what was that? 2 pounds, 3 ounces, and 1 pound, 15 ounces basically. So what's that, 4 ounces? Is that it? Yeah, I guess 4 ounces difference. So, all right, there you go.